In this video, we will implement the edit user feature of the user management module in our bookstore website project. You see, in the users list page, there's edit type link next to each user that allows the manager to edit and update the details of a specific user. And on click hyperlink edit here, Java service is called. So the first task in this section is to create the edit user service class that retrieves the full details of the selected user to be displayed in the user form. And then we update the user form page JSP to show the details of the selected user to be updated. And then we